Wall glide adjustable bed frame with voice control, massage, USB, Nightlight, Anti-Snore, zero gravity, wireless remote and no tools assembly, Twin XL. Wall glide adjustable bed frame with voice command, phone app, massage, anti-snore, zero gravity, dual USB charging station, under bed Nightlight. No tools required assembly, simply screw in the legs and plug it in. Adjust the way you sleep. 800 pounds lift capacity, whisper quiet motor operation utilizing quality components and manufacturing process. Convenient under bed Nightlight and backed by a 10-year limited manufacturer warranty with friendly customer service. Adjustable base features adjustable height leg 6 9 12 measures. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.